So hello my friends of YouTube, how are you? We're doing this tint right now. And we're gonna bring it down a little bit here. We need to get the right measurements.
Now, I don't want to interrupt the class.
Yeah, what?
Nothing, nowhere.
Oh. Okay, so let me bring it down a tiny bit. Here. Right. No pesa mucho la silla.
Un poco, sí.
Un poquitito, sí. Oh, lo voy a llevar muy bien. ¡Ay, señora, ¿cómo está? Aquí.
Maestro, ahora voy a tener que pagar a los amigos.
¿Qué?
No voy a tener que pagar a los amigos.
Oh, listen. He's got to take that chair.
Yeah, no problem.
Come get another one from here.
No problem, buddy. Maestro, gracias.
¡Oh, Madrigo!
Buenas noches.
Aprovecho. Let me get a flashlight from here. My boss gave me this flashlight.
You gave him his check?
Oh yeah, he was happy.
Yeah.
He was pretty happy with his check.
Come on, man. What the hell's going on?
I know, right? Hey, what's up?
No. Where the hell you get that? Where you get that from? At one of the stores you shop at?
The light?
Yeah.
He got it.
Who?
I don't know what he got it. I tell you, my boss gave me that.
Oh, shit.
He had two. He said, Fernando, you want one?
I need something like that. Because that's what I got to ask you. What your brother told me?
Yeah.
Remember about them drills?
Yeah.
He showed me the air pump one?
Yeah.
Okay. Like I said, I do his toll and stuff, dealing with that. So I got the air pump one made by, what's that company? The lime green drills and stuff?
Ryobi.
Yeah, okay. And he said the battery would work with the pump by the drill that comes with two batteries.
Right.
And then by the pump by itself, because it doesn't come with a battery.
Right.
One of the batteries from the drill works with the pump, but this is the thing he said. It'll last for 2 years, the battery.
But depending on how, I don't think so. It's gotta last more depending on how much usage.
Well,
And how many
it's
times
pretty
you
just
use it?
this is my own question. Hopefully I don't really have to use it because it's for the tires only. So
it
it's
will
just
last
sitting.
many years.
It's just sitting here.
Yeah, so it will last a long time.
The battery will last,
Yeah.
and I can leave it connected or disconnected
No, disconnect it. You only connect it
when I want to
see
use
it
it.
when you're gonna use it. Connect it a day before or
Yeah.
whatever, you know.
Hey,
That's what I would do.
Now, are you moving any of that stuff?
No, I just separated. Yeah, I just disconnected it so I can be able to put the film in there.
You're not touching the.
No, that's it. I just
Oh,
disconnected.
okay. I was just asking because
No,
you said
just
you was
disconnect
moving
it.
and stuff.
I just disconnected it. I mean, I just removed it from the.
Oh, only like that? Because I was going to say, not just leave it.
No, I'm not moving anything.
Good.
Yeah.
Pásame el trigo.
Aquí me estoy, ¿cómo está usted?
Tengo algo ahí, vamos para.
Okay.
Because nobody has me on it with it on the side. I put it where you got it on your truck. I should have left it where it was at from the beginning. In the middle.
Oh. All right. You know what? If you go inside the car,
Yeah.
go inside and put the flashlight right behind this right here. From the back of it. Put it right there. No. Right below this thing. Right below, but light it up. You're not lighting me up. Yeah. And bring it down. No, but bring it down in the air. Bring it away from the glass. Bring it this way. And no, bring it over here. Right parallel, right behind. Look, right. No, come here. You do this. Let me show you. When I tell you away from, you see that thing is there? It's just away from there, right here. Away. I said away from the glass. Cuéntame in Spanish. Fuera del hospital. Right. There you go. Perfect. Hold it there. If you like my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It's not easy being here, my friend. It's not easy. Trust me. I need all the thumbs up I can get. Subscribe. So who do you think is gonna win between
Hey, how Tampa Bay's defense has been playing, I'm going with Tampa Bay, even though I don't like Brady.
but just because of the defense that you see that he's playing with?
Defense, yeah, they keep playing, but see, two of their good players got hurt the last two games. But their defense, they've been stepping it up, man.
Wow, that's a good thing.
They can get it to the quarterback and everything. I laughed today, the Yankees made a trade with the Red Sox for the first time since like 2004.
Really? Okay, you can come out now.
Yeah,
Come on.
a picture, a relief picture to the Red Sox and another picture.
Oh, wow.
Relief system. To get rid of, I don't know why the Yankees are doing that so much, but to get under the tax threshold.
Oh.
So they got rid of $8 million in salary.
Yeah.
But I laugh at that, please, man. I don't know what they.
Okay, my friends. Now we're gonna clean the inside of the glass, and then we're gonna remove the film that I just measured. That's gonna go inside. It's got a protection shield that's gonna be removed, and you gotta make sure you get it the right way, because if you got it the opposite, especially when you're doing the doors tinted, it's makes a big difference. You don't want to make the same one for a different side of the car, driver's side or passenger side. We're going to clean the inside with this special tool that has a scraper. It's got a sharp razor blade in there. So you go like this inside. Make sure you remove all the particles. Okay. Let me take it to the other side over here so you can see what I'm doing, okay? Let's come. So we here now. That's the Mustang. Gonna be doing the racing stripe tomorrow, Tuesday. What's tomorrow? December what? I mean January 26. Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm doing right now. Now you can see all the process that I'm doing, and you learn how to do it yourself. You will not need me, MacGyver. You will do it all by yourself, my friend. So what you do here is you clean the glass really, really good. Okay? Whatever you have on the windshield, you gotta remove. You know, if you got oil, to see what's the next time you gotta change the oil, whatever, you gotta remove that. And then the next day or 2 days later, you could put it back in there. Because sometimes depending on, you know, if you have like an antenna, an alarm, remote start antenna, whatever, you gotta remove that and leave it hanging for a couple of days. Like it's gonna be done with this one. This one's got an alarm, a Viper with a remote start. So this piece is gonna be separated for a little bit, and then later on, a couple of days, it gets to put back on there. But right now it's gotta be removed to be able to do this job. See? Okay, and that's gonna be clean. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, let's clean it. Okay, let's see. See, look, all the dirt. This is the dirt, look. That's the glue that I had before for the rubber. That's the adhesive tape, as a matter of fact. That's not even dirt. That's the adhesive that was there, the 3M tape that we use in the industry. That's what we call it. We call it 3M tape. So we will remove that. Okay, and then you clean the whole glass really nice with a razor blade. Okay, make sure there's no particles, there's no dirt. So you clean it really well. Okay. And after you do that, after you clean it really well, and then you pass a piece of dry towel. Okay. Remove, dry it up a little bit, okay? So you're gonna do here, you dry up whichever areas around the car, the A pillar. These are called A pillars, these are called pillars. The first one is the A, then the B, then the C, and then the D pillar. That's how it goes, these are pillars. Okay, so now we're ready to do the film. Remember the one where I measure outside? Look, I'm gonna get it now. I'm gonna get the film from here, from the edge right here. I'm gonna pull it all the way over here. Okay? Check it out, you see? So this is what I did. Now this one here, we're gonna put the liquid. I really use Dawn, or whichever soap with a little bit of soap with a lot of water. Like 90% water, 10% soap. I just want it to be a little slippery. So I could play with the film and I could put it nice where the area where it's supposed to go. That's when I started removing it with the squeegee. There you go. You see, I got that side. Look, this is the side that protects the film. So that's garbage. You want the what's dark, and the side that I'm putting the soap with water is the one that's gonna stick into the glass. Okay? Check it out. You see? Look there. If I put my hand, it's gonna stick right there. I don't wanna put it, but it will stick right there. Okay? I'm gonna put a little bit here. Okay, I'm ready to rock and roll. Okay, I did a little bit of that. The whole film that's gonna be installed in the glass is gonna be having the, you gotta spray it on. Look, you see? Look at that, see? Okay? So, after you clean, don't forget, after you clean it very well, after you did all the measurements and everything, and you clean really well, you put a little more liquid. And after you do the liquid, that's when it goes into the glass, into the front windshield. All right? Now I'm about ready to put it on the windshield, you see? So check it out. I'm gonna take one edge, one corner, take the other corner right here. So I'm gonna separate them, and then it's gonna go in there. You don't want this to touch anything around the car because then it's gonna dirty it. So you can put it that way like this, so you can set it correctly. Okay, look, you can set it up correctly here. There you go. See? There, right there. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right there. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. The surgery was a success. Right, you go. Right there. Right. So that's when you start removing now. Now you take a napkin, take two of them if you like, together, you fold it in half, and then you come with a squeegee. You could either use this one here, or there's another one here that I use. Oh, you can put a little bit, most definitely, you can put a little bit of water on top of that, so it could be a little slippery. You put a little bit of the soap and water, and then you start squeezing out the liquid from the tint. Look, check it out. So you start doing like this, you see? Like that. Okay? Look how beautiful it's looking right now already. Look. And you want to put a little bit of paper below so it won't damage the inspection. You know, especially about the inspection area. You can cover it up. You know, put a little bit of tape or mask it out so you won't get it wet and you won't damage the inspection sticker. The inspection with the registration sticker if it's New York. You know what I mean? Like especially here that we're in New York, you don't want to damage that. So you know. There you go. You see? Everything's looking really nice. Looking good, looking good, looking good. See how beautiful this is looking? It's looking really nice, let me tell you. If this was a birthday cake, it would be delicious. Let me tell you that much. Okay? It's looking beautiful. Really, really, really nice. I'm gonna show you a close-up right now in a second. Let me just finish removing the liquid. You just gotta make a little cut right here. We're ready to rock and roll. All right, let's clean the glass, the rest of the glass, let's clean it up. Let's remove the liquid. 1 second. Let's do this right now.
Wow, I never saw a mouse that small.
A what?
A mouse.
Oh!
That small. It's no bigger than my pinky.
It's a mouse, it's not a rat, that's why.
I never seen it that small, man. Wow, we.
It was just a baby, maybe just born.
Mm-hmm. Look at that shit.
Maybe he just born a few days ago. Okay, so I made that cut right there. So I could be able to squeeze out all the air pockets. See what I mean? You want to remove all the air pockets that they has. There you go. There you go. See? This is a job, my friends, that you need patience. If you guys know patience, I tell you not to do it. But if you have some patience, I'm a master of patience, so that I'm qualified to do this job. See what I mean? I can do this. But if you have no patience, I don't recommend you doing it because you're gonna get a big headache. You know, you're gonna get upset. Oh, I can't do it. So that's what I'm saying. Now we put back the rear view mirror. We put it back where it belongs. We tighten it up again. And that's it. You just gotta remove the other side. Just gotta make another little cut over there. And we are ready to rock and roll, my friends. We are ready to rock and roll. Let me just tighten it up over here right now. There you go. There you go, right there. Now we go to the other side. Let me show you a little bit of how it looks right now. Let me show you how it looks. Let me show you here. See? There you go, everything nice. That's hanging that part, that's the Viper remote. We're not gonna connect it right now. See? Everything's nice there. Let me do it right here. Okay? So we're gonna make a little cut right here for the extra film that we have. So we're gonna go right around there. Let's see. We're gonna go right around there. Let's see. Bit. Okay, let's continue cutting it a little more. All right, that's it. That's it. It is done. Let's just continue removing the air pockets. There you go. There you go. Looks beautiful, my friends. Looks very, very nice. I know the owner of the car, when he sees this, he's gonna give me, besides what he's gotta pay me, another $20 tip for being a happy camper. Right, buddy?
Sure.
He said, yeah, you see, that's what I'm talking about, you guys. You guys of YouTube, everybody heard it. All my 115 subscribers that come into my page. See, all right, this was a success. Now we clean, that's it, this is done. Okay, so now we finish cleaning the glass inside. And that's about it, my friends. You guys could do this yourself. Like I said, you need patience. If you don't have no patience, then I tell you not to do it, not to try it. But if you have a little patience, that goes a long way. And you can try it yourself. Okay? So now we're just cleaning the glass. Okay? There's some spots. You know, clean it in and out. Just clean the inside and also the outside. You wanna clean both? All right. Okay. Okie dokie. That's about it, my friends. Let's just do the outside now, clean it up, and this car is done. The tint has been a success. Wow, looking nice now. Heck yeah. Mhm. Squirt a little bit. Oh, let me do the glass thing. Okay, let's do this.
He's gonna stay down there for a while?
Huh?
You gonna stay down there for like a few days, or he's coming right back?
Oh, my brother is gonna stay there for I think he's going, after that they're going to Florida.
Florida, yeah.
Yeah. So they're going to North Carolina and drop off the
Trailer,
trailer
yeah.
and then continue going down to Florida, I think. My mom is in West Palm Beach, you know, I told you already.
Yeah.
So yeah, so
They gonna stop by there?
you're gonna stop by there before coming back over here.
Yeah, that's cool.
At least my brother is coming back. I don't know about Mando, my cousin.
No, I think he's staying.
He's staying because he's gotta work. He hasn't
Yeah.
worked in a while and
He's staying, yeah.
yeah. But my brother Carlos coming back. Yeah. Yes, sirree. Okie dokie. As you can see, my friends, the tint is done. See? I'm gonna remove that little yellow tape. It's right there. Gonna remove it right now. Okie dokie. There you go. Just clean the glass. That's it. That is it. Okie dokie. dokie. Okie dokie. Inside here. Oh, one second. Okay. For somebody that has tint on the front windshield, and you're not having it when you replace the front windshield,
Yeah.
you was missing that, right? You was like, damn.
Only one day. I think it was Saturday when I came in. Or one day the sun was out. I was like, golly, the tent ain't here, man.
Yeah, right.
I was like, shit, it ain't there yet. It ain't back yet.
Yeah. That's it. That's it, my friends on Instagram. Listen, if you like my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. And I'll show you my next project, which is going to be tomorrow. That Mustang that's right there. You see? We're going to do the racing stripe in white. That's going to be coming up tomorrow morning. Stay tuned and please give me a thumbs up, all right? God bless you. And goodbye from MacGyver's headquarters. Bye-bye.